While refinishing your floors, we go through several steps, and the first step is the first sanding. We use a heavy grit sandpaper around a 40 grit to start the sanding process. This scratches the floor with the 40 grit paper, removing all the polyurethane, the O stain, and any scratches and dents that might have occurred in the life of the floor. We do this through two different types of machines. One's a belt machine and the other is a disc. You'll see in the video the two different types, and also you'll understand why we wear earplugs, because it is pretty loud.